On February 6, 2023, the border region of Turkey and Syria was hit by a powerful earthquake with a magnitude of 7.8. The main quake was followed by 44 aftershocks. More than 500 people lost their lives. Thousands of people were injured, many still remain under the rubble. As a result of quake, many homes and roads were destroyed. The total number of destroyed and damaged buildings exceeded 2,500 in both countries. This is the strongest earthquake on the Turkish-Syrian border in recorded history. The tremors were felt in several regions of Turkey and Syria, as well as in Lebanon, Iraq, Egypt, Greece, Cyprus and Armenia.